Hello everyone, it's me Padam Razali, student ID 303733313. Today I would like to demonstrate a video presentations about our project and about the personal reflections towards the projects, and I will discuss about how was my experience and how did I contribute to the project, and I'll be describing this all sort of things in this video. Okay, so let's talk about the project. So our project is the ultimate fresh, the online frozen grocery delivery systems. Actually, we have developed the prototype of online web app for the client from where a customer can easily buy products, and they can make orders, and they can get the order item delivered to their home. Okay, so our project was started on 6th of March, and our project was finished on 18th of June. And so we have used agile methodology throughout the project, and it has divided in 3 sprints. And some we have developed some product video and the present brochures, and we have written the final write-up. Right, so let's talk about the team members. The team. These are the team members that I was working on the project. And Ramnath was working at is the project manager, and myself, Padam Razali. I was working as a project leader and developer, and Prakash Patra as system analyst, and Madhika was as the technical assistant. Okay, so let's would like to express my sincere gratitude to the lecturers, tutor, supervisor, and client. Lecturer was Dr. Bilal Chaudhary, tutor was Dr. Anjayullah Khan, and supervisor was Dr. Ali Betri, and Mohammad Basa was the client. So these are the peoples who have been helping and who had given us the good guidance, and that they have helped so many, in so many field, so that we can able to develop the project. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of these personalities. All right, so let's talk about the client details. So we have worked for the OG Farm Fest, and the Mohammad Basa was our client, and these are his client's details, like phone numbers and email. And we have we have done some online engagement. We still have COVID restriction, and also the online engagement is quite efficient, and that's why we choose the online meetings, and we have done like at least 2 days in a week. So these are the major user stories that we have used in our project. So the user stories, like I want to see the customer details, like this is the admin user stories, and I want to see the customer details, like the name, phone number, and delivery details, and all, and like this, and these are the major user stories. And we have some success criteria. So we have we have developed the root cause analysis, visual diagrams, as is models, and also activity diagrams, and finally we have developed a web portal front-end design and a dashboard. All right, so let's talk about the personal contributions. My major 3 contributions towards the project was I was responsible for creating wireframes, and also I was responsible for creating the final front-end web portal design. I have used HTML, CSS, and some Bootstrap wireframe, Bootstrap frameworks. And also I was responsible for accommodating the analysis tools like analysis tools and discussion tools like Trello, and design aggregators. I have developed some wireframes, and also I have developed one more video throughout this project. Okay, so let's talk about the agile technology. our project approach was agile technology. It is divided into 3 sprints. So these are the tasks that we have done in each sprint. So the sprint 1, we have finished the team formations, project selections, meetings, storyboards, client meetings, lecture review, and some requirement analysis like Gantt chart, and flowchart, activity diagrams, and things like that. And in sprint 2, we have mainly focused on the data visualization and data collection and visualization, framework design, edge model to be, and wireframes, and also the web design. The sprint 3, we have done the promo video, poster designing, and final webpage designing, and project write-up, and also the project demonstration was on the sprint 3. Okay, so let's talk about our product. So the name of our product is the Ultimate Face, which is basically an online platform where the customer can create an order, and they can get the order items delivered to home throughout the system. So for home, it's for customer, shopkeepers, and delivery persons for what and why. So this is the aim of the project. So we are simply providing easy and convenient shopping for the customers. They can shop, exchanges anywhere. Like they can shop from anywhere. They can stay at home, workplace from anywhere, right? And also, it will increase the sales and revenue for the shopkeeper. Definitely, if it has the 2-way of shopping, right? It has, it can do the business from the own shop and also from the online platform. So definitely it will increase, and it increase in sales and revenue. Also, it will provide the opportunity for digital marketing, and also the customer can give the feedback to the online platform. Similarly, it will increase the potential customer relationship, right? Okay, this is the full wireframes that I have developed throughout the project. So there are 3 sections: customer sections, admin section, and delivery person sections. So let's talk about the customer sections. So customer can sign up the page to have the login credentials. Customer can directly land to the home page, but for the saving the customer details for the delivery purposes, so we have we have given this login sections for the client, and after entering the right credentials by the client, he can enter into the home page, and there will be some navigations like home page, about us, and contact us, and there will be a button by now. After clicking this button, the customer can land into the product page, and there will be the list of products listed on the product page, and the customer can select any of those products and add to the cart. And in the cart, the customer can add and remove the products, and after finalizing products, customer can go to the payment page, and after entering the right credit card details, and after process the payment, the order list will be listed on the admin dashboard. Actually, admin has the access to the admin dashboard. They can see the overall sales performance on the admin dashboard, and on the other hand, delivery person is accessible to the delivery page or the other confirmations, other pickup, and other tracking and delivery confirmation. These sort of navigations will be available. Using those navigations, delivery person can actually able to deliver the product to the customer. All right, so this is the descriptive wireframes of the login homepage and product card page, and there will be the login page, and there will be a home page, and we have especially added the discounts and offer sections, and from there a customer can get some sort of discounts and offers, and clicking this button, customer can link to the product page, and there will be listed products, and the rest of the process are same as before. And also the new thing is, because in the first time login users, they can sign up the new page, and if they forget their password, and they can actually have the password reset process throughout this process. All right, so let's talk about the product page descriptive. There will be the in the product page there will be the navigations like categories, and there will be options like filter. After clicking this option, there will be list of products in the descending orders. So this is the basically we have done some, we have revised the user stories, and according to their needs we have updated this product page, right? And the card process and the payment process is same as before. All right, so let's talk about the admin's login and dashboard sections. This is the most important about admin. Admin is accessible, fully accessible to this admin dashboard. In the admin dashboard, admin is able to see the overall sales performance. And there will be navigations like dashboard, sales, analytics, CRM, and projects. And there were admin can see the sales profiles like must sold product, not sold product, and also there will be list of orders that actually admin has the right and admin has full access to the list of orders. And after confirming these orders, and after that only the delivery process will be processed. All right, so let's talk about the front-end web portal. This is the front-end web portal that I have developed throughout the project, and I have as we are the ERP student, we didn't do the much coding. Though we have already used the building code, and we have developed this one. All right, so I'm gonna show you the product. All right, this is the home page of our of our online platform that we have developed, and we have used the HTML, CSS, and some Bootstrap framework to design it. And there will be navigation like about us, and gallery, and can back us, and things like that. And in the home page, there will be button like buy now that I have already shown in the wireframes, and there will be some categories, fruits and vegetables, and the customer can select either of those those products. And also customer can simply click on the buy now button, then it will be landed on the product page. This is the product page where the list of products are available. Like you can see potato, tomatoes, cabbage, and there will be the categories in the filter options. It's exactly that I've shown in the wireframes. All right, so and the customer can select any of those products, and he can click into add to cart button. After clicking this button, it will lead you to cart page, right? And there will be list of products. Edit, and the customer can actually increase the size, quantity of the products, and also customer can remove the products by clicking here, and there will be summary of the products that customer have added. And after clicking on the checkout button, it will be landed to the checkout page where the customer has to enter login details like this, and the customer has to enter the address for delivery purposes, right? And at last customer has to enter the payment details over here, and credit card name on the card, credit card number over here. And after clicking the process now, the list of the orders will be available in the admin sections. Admin can actually process this order, and after that delivery process will be processed. And this is how our system works. All right, so let's get back to the presentations. So talking about application of stream specific knowledge, I have used the various knowledge from the previous semesters, like 502 enterprise systems, to design some wireframes and some to do some architectural designs for the systems. And I have also used the learning from the 504, and that helped me to, design ASIS model, 2D model, and also, use further some analysis and that I have done throughout the project. And knowledge of the research and different methodologies for effective research and communications, that I have gained knowledge from the ITECH 5500 and communications also. We have to do professional communications with the clients and supervisors, so it actually helped us to use these learnings. All right, so let's talk about the reflection learning. I have learned so many things throughout the project. So these are the main things that I have learned. So main thing that I have learned is team collaborations, time management, right, and system evaluations. Time management is always, useful, and also team collaborations. Our project is always a team play, right? And so the collaborating with the team members and managing time and finishing tasks, assigned tasks in a time, are really important. That I have learned throughout this project, working as a team, right? And that can actually help me to build up my future career, and I can use that learnings in the future career, right? And I have also learned the success of the project will be in the way which project has set up, manage, and monitor. And the unique things that I have learned is of course the teamwork, right? And because project work is the unique thing for me, because this is the actual project that we have done in a team. It's actual work. This shows the actual work framework, like in the futures that I can work with the development team, I can work with the team, right. I can't work alone. In the future, I will be working with the team. So it's actually the unique thing for me that I've learned throughout the project, and that will actually help me in the future in the review. All right. So also different research methodologies, and during the literature review, I have learned some methods of methods of research, and I have done some literature review, which is also great learning for me, and also the different tools and analysis and visualizations. That's also a great learning for me, and that's the unique learning from me. So let's talk about the summary of the work done throughout the project. So we have done team formation and roughly ones in the initial of the project, in the initial phase, and then we have developed general facts to each members, and the storyboard project roadmap was done, user stories and parameters, product backlog, and design of feasible and cost diagram, and ASIS model process diagram design was done, and current and future process, and all sort of tasks have done. This is summary of our project that we have done throughout the project. So yeah, I would like to thank you, all of the team members that that we have. We all team members have done excellent work. And yeah, that's how that's how our project work. And I would like to thank to our tutors, to our lecturers, and the supervisor, and all the clients for all the giving sort of details, sort of providing some information that actually help us for developing the project. All right, thank you for watching, and thank you everyone.